Have you heard of Noom Diet? And if you have heard of Noom Diet, then you would also know that Noom is an app-based diet. It is also known as millennial diet because it is mainly used by millennials or those in the age group of 25 and 35. Noom is not something new. It came to market some 9 years back, and in 2016 its app was launched. By 2018, its popularity increased and many established players in the market felt threatened. Why? Why did Gnome become so popular relatively very quickly? What is so special about it? Let's take a look at about the reasons that made Gnome app-based diet so popular. Gnome Diet works at psychological level. It tricks your mind into developing good habits. As you start eating healthy, you lose weight and gain health, and habits continue for years and years. You maintain your weight as habits don't change easily. And that is the secret of this Noom diet. It improves your overall health, and your outlook changes in a positive manner, and it works in your favor and boosts your self-esteem without compromising on taste. Because Noom offers thousands of food items to choose from. If you want to know more about Noom Diet or want to read complete review of Noom Diet, its current offers, prices and shipping options, then visit Review-No.1 or click the link below given in the description. And thank you for watching.